7 into 1 minus, that is 2 into 2, that is minus 1, 2 into minus 3, minus 1 into 3. Now x upon 6 minus 21 y upon 7 minus 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 3. Now x upon 6 plus 1 plus 21 y upon 7 minus 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 3 x upon 27 y upon 3 minus 1 upon minus 9. This cancel it out. Now x upon 27 will be equated x upon 27 equated by 1 upon 9, y upon 3 equated by 1 upon 9. So x 3 y 1 upon 3. This is the way you have to solve. Understood? Yesterday, due to the lack of time or you can say the space, we have not completed that question. Again, I have explained this question. See the way we are doing. If you are doing any new question, but if you know the pattern, you will be able to solve the question. So please see that what maximum students they have done this question like this. And before, in the starting, I have explained the cross multiplication method. What was the cross multiplication method? That is, first equation you have to write in the standard form. After that, you will be finding the value of A1, B1, C1, and A2, B2, and C2. After that, you will arrange the values, the pattern which is given to you. And after placing only the arrows, you have to show one arrow. No need to put the other two arrows and the upon line and the different lines, so that after that 3 into 2, 6 minus 3 into 7, y upon 7 into 1 minus 2 into 2. So this type of equations you can do. So cross multiplication method, no problem. After that, conditions to solve that, to determine whether the pair of equation has unique solution and no solution or many solution. There are conditions. Now for conditions, you remember this. Conditions. Conditions for unique A1 upon A2 not equal to C1 upon B2. Conditions for many A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to B2 upon B2. Consistent for unique, consistent for many. After that, condition for no solution, that is A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. That is, you can say inconsistent. Inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution. So you will find the questions like that. Find the value of k for which the given pair of equation has unique solution, no solution, or many solution. You can see the YouTube channel and you will be able to write any problem is there. You can go to that channel and see. Now, condition for many solution, condition for unique solution. So there are some examples. Now, this is for the conditions for k. Find the value of k for unique, find the value of k for many, find the value of k for no solution. But if it is said like this, determine without solving the pair of equation has unique solution, no solution or many solution, then you have to find out A1 upon A2 separately, B1 upon B2 separately, C1 upon C2 separately, and if all three are equal, you will say many solution. If A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, then you will say unique solution. If A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2, but not equal to C1 upon C2, then pair of linear equation has no solution. Understood? This completes today's topic. Tomorrow, next class, we will be doing the questions on this topic. Thank you, beta, all of you.